sequence of partial terms, sequence of partial terms, okay, sequence of partial sums, sequence of partial sums, okay. And second one, geometric series, geometric series. And next one is p test, and fourth one we did integral test. That's four we have done, right? So to check the convergence of any series. So same way, like there are more tests are there. Whenever these tests, okay, each kind of test having a separate problem, okay. So you cannot apply all in a one problem, okay. So for different problems, you have to approach in different method, okay. Or maybe some problems can applicable more two three methods. But for different problems, we have to approach in different method. Each method is applicable. Based on that, you should go. Based on that, you should go. Okay. So our fifth method is we have D'Alembert's test. It's a very important and easy one. D'Alembert's test to check the convergence of any series. Okay. So suppose summation an is any positive term series. Suppose summation an is any positive term series such that I can find L, which is nothing but limit n tends to infinity, an plus 1 by an. I can find, okay, I can find L that will be limit n tends to infinity, an plus 1 by an, okay. If this L is less than 1, then the series is converges. The series is converge if L less than 1, okay. And diverges, the series is diverges, okay, if L greater than 1, okay. And third point is also there, third point, okay. The test fails when L equal to 1, L equal to 1, okay. So we cannot apply D'Alembert's test when L equal to 1 comes, when L equal to 1 comes, okay. Well, L equal to 1 comes. So, and the same kind of test we can apply in a sequence also. So that's why this is very important, okay, very easy, since we can apply same as well as series and sequence. So that's why this is very important. And whenever the terms in an are in terms of n, purely in terms of n, means numerator, denominator, okay, power, all are becomes n, okay, okay, n terms, okay, okay. So then we'll apply this test. Okay. So check the convergence of, write down example. Raskunara. Check the convergence of summation n square by 2 power n equal to 1 to infinity n square by 2 power n. Okay. N square by 2 power n. So what is my an here? N square by 2 power n, which is always positive. So don't worry about that. It's a positive term series. Now I would like to find L, limit n tends to infinity, an plus 1 by an. So anyone, what is the value of L? Anyone? Two power n cancel pote 1 by 2 n plus 1 whole square by n square. So take n square 1 by 2 outside. take 1 by 2 outside, take n square common here, n whole square, that is n square, 1 plus 1 by n whole square. Sorry. So limit n tends to infinity. Sorry, L equal to what? 1 by 2, limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 1 by n whole square. So what is L now? What is L now? 1 plus 0 whole
1
square.
by 2.
Yeah, 1 by 2, which is less than 1. So where L is less than 1, therefore L is less than 1. So therefore what? The given series is converges, right? Correct enough?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. రాసుకున్నారా? అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. So like this numerator denominator having n power n, okay, ఇలా టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు we'll go by D'Alembert's test. We'll go by D'Alembert's test. Okay na? అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు లిమిట్ n, sorry, summation n equal to 1 to infinity 2 power n by n cube. So what is L? Anyone? For this problem. What is L? Anyone?
Two, sir.
Yeah, very good, Amma. So what is an here? 2 power n by n cube. So L equal to limit n tends to infinity an plus 1 by an 2 power n plus 1 by 2 comes outside, n cube by n plus 1 whole cube. So same like above, take n cube common here, you will get 1 here. Take n cube common here, you will get 1. That will be greater than 1, therefore given series diverges by D'Alembert's test. By D'Alembert's test. So by D'Alembert's test, we can say that the given series is diverges. The given series is diverges. Next, summation n factorial by n power n. Summation n factorial by n power n. So what is L? Anyone? So కొన్ని బుక్స్ లో పాజిటివ్ టర్మ్స్ అని చెప్పకుండా పాజిటివ్ టర్మ్ సిరీస్ అని చెప్పకుండా దీనికి మోడ్ పెడతారమ్మా. దీనికి మోడ్ పెడతారు. మనం ఆల్రెడీ పాజిటివ్ టర్మ్ సిరీస్ అని చెప్పేసి of mod. Okay. Don't worry of that. N plus 1 factorial, I write it as n plus 1 into n factorial.
1,
n plus
sir.
1 into 1 వచ్చిందా? So this is n plus 1 whole power n into n plus 1. n plus 1 whole power n into n plus 1. So the power should be added. The power should be added. This will be finally n plus 1 whole power n plus 1. This is n power n by n. So n factorial gets cancelled. N plus 1 gets cancelled. N plus 1 gets cancelled. Finally, what remains you have? N power n by n plus 1 whole power n. So what remains we have? N power n by n plus 1 whole power n. So what is this value? Anyone? This is nothing but n by n plus 1 whole power n. This is power n, amma. Don't take n count. Power n it is. This I will written as again n plus 1 by n. Numerator n denominator తీసుకొచ్చుకున్నాను. What it will be again? 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. So what is limit n tends to infinity? 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. E, right? E. So this is denominator, therefore E, 1 by E. 1 by E is less than 1, therefore the series is diverges. Sorry, converges kada. The series is converges by D'Alembert test. By using of D'Alembert test, we can say that the given series is converges. Yes, please. Any doubts? Type no all problem cheyandi. N factorial into 2 power n by n power n. N factorial into 2 power n by n power n. Anyone? What is L value? Anyone? ఎవరు చెప్తారా L value ఎంత?
Two by E, sir.
Very good. Very good. L is 2 by E, amma, you can verify. It is also less than 1, therefore converges. 2 by E less than 1 ne kada. 2 by E less than 1 ne kada.
Yes, sir.
Check the convergence of, write down, check the convergence of dash dash ledamma. Plus dash dash. This first term, this second term, this third term. 2 by 1 plus 2 into 5 into 8 by 1 into 5 into 9 plus 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 by 1 into 5 into 9 into 13 plus and so. Plus and so. So what is AN now? What is AN? 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus sorry, what is AN now? 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into and so on and so on 1 into 5 into 9 into 13 into and so on. So 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. Here A is 2, D is difference. This is arithmetic progression. Because of difference is same for every term, D is 3. So nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, nth term, Tn. Okay. So A is 2 n minus 1 into 3. That is 3n minus 3 plus 2. So nth term is 3n minus 2. Similarly for denominator, 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on. A is 1, D is 4. D is same for each term, you can verify. D is same. So Tn A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 plus n minus 1 into 4. 4n
minus 3.
So the nth term will be numerator as the numerator as 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into and so on up to 3n minus 1. 1 into 5 into 9 into 11 and so on 4n minus 3 as denominator. So now I go for L. An plus 1 by An. So what is An plus 1? An plus 1 is 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into and so on. This is An. But n place la n plus 1 pedte. N place la n plus 1 pedte. Minus 1 kada. Sorry. 3n plus 3 minus 1 is 3n plus 2. Alage denominator up to n we have 4n minus 3. n plus n plus 1 pedte 4n plus 1. By an amma by an it will reciprocal. The whole thing will cancel. The whole thing will cancel. So what remains? Now what is L? Anyone? What is L?
3 by 4, sir.
Very good. Very good. 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2 by 4n plus 2. n common cheste 3 plus 0 by 4 plus 0. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 less than 1. Avuna kada? Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Only sir మీరు రాసుకున్నాం. Next, discuss the convergence of summation n square minus 1 by n square plus 1 x power n for x greater than 0. Discuss the convergence of so what is an here? N square minus 1 by n square plus 1 x. So what is L now? So ikkada x unnamma based on x will write. Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. X power n plus 1 into denominator reciprocal avutundi. x power n ఒక x power n క్యాన్సిల్ అమ్ము, ఒక x power n ఒక x power n క్యాన్సిల్ అమ్ము. సో ఇక్కడ x మిగులుతుంది, రాస్తున్నారా? ఏం మిగిలాయి మనకు? n+1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 బై n+1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ n స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 బై n స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1. అవునా? దిస్ ఇస్ n స్క్వేర్ కామన్ చేస్తాము, ఇక్కడ n స్క్వేర్ 1+1 బై n హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 బై n స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ n స్క్వేర్ కామన్ చేస్తే 1+1 బై n హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 బై n స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ కూడా n స్క్వేర్ ని కామన్ చేస్తామా, all n square gets cancelled. Now apply the limit 1 plus 0 minus 0 by 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0. Finally you will get x. Finally you will get x, right? So L, what is L now? What is L now? X. Avuna? So therefore the given series converges by D'Alembert's test. Any doubts, please? By D'Alembert's test, the given series converges if L less than 1 means x less than 1, and diverges if L greater than 1 means that x greater than 1. Okay na? So x less than 1 aina x greater than 1 aithe clarity vachesindi, but we don't know about x equal to 1. Okay na? We don't know about x equal to 1. I am going for that. X equal to 1 amma. If x equal to 1, okay. So the given series becomes summation n equal to 1 to infinity n square minus 1 by n square plus 1 x power n amma 1 power n. So what it will be? So here what is an now? An is n square minus 1 by n square plus 1. Now limit n tends to infinity an ఏమవుతుందమ్మా? Limit n tends to infinity an. Limit n tends, this is 1, right? So limit n tends to infinity an not equal to 0, what it is? What it is? Limit n tends to infinity an not equal to 0. నిన్న థీరం చెప్పాను కదమ్మా స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే. లిమిట్ n tends to infinity an డైవర్జెంట్ కావడానికి ఒకటే ఒక టెస్ట్ ఉంది మనకు. డైవర్జెంట్ కావడానికి ఒకటే ఒక టెస్ట్ ఉంది. లిమిట్ n tends to infinity an not equal to 0. Okay, therefore the series diverges. ఓకేనా? డైవర్జెంట్ కావడానికి ఒకటే ఒక టెస్ట్ అమ్మా, డైరెక్ట్ టెస్ట్. లిమిట్ n tends to infinity an కనుక్కుంటే అది నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వస్తే directly we can say that which is diverged. Directly we can say that which is diverged. Okay na? Okay na? So therefore, at x equal to 1, series ఏమైంది మనకు? For x equal to 1, the series becomes to be divergent. So therefore, by D'Alembert's test, if x less than 1, the given series 0 less than 1. Already x greater than or equal to 0 ఇచ్చాడు. 0 less than x less than 1. The given series converges. X greater than or equal to 1 అమ్మ. X greater than or equal to 1. The given series is divergent. ఓకేనా? ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా. ఆప్షన్స్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి. ఆప్షన్స్ కన్వర్జెస్ x less than 1, diverges x greater than 1, diverges x greater than or equal to 1, converges x less than or equal to 1. ఇలా ఉంటాయి ఆప్షన్స్. సో మీరు చూసి జాగ్రత్తగా ప్లేస్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇలాంటి. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్? సో same way you can verify. The same way you can verify the convergence of x power n minus 1 by n into 3 power n. Same way you can verify summation n equal to 1 to infinity x power n minus 1 by n into 3 power n. ఓకేనా? చేస్తారా? Yes, is it okay? చేస్తారమ్మా? Now, so in case of D'Alembert's test, what we have is, in case of D'Alembert's test, we have is if L less than 1, it's fine, convergent. If L greater than 1, it's fine, convergent. Okay. But when L equal to 1, the test fails. D'Alembert's test is fails. Okay. Now if L equal to 1, the test fails. Okay. So that's why in that case, we'll go for another test. In that case, we'll go for another test that's called as Rabe's test. Rabe's test. In case of L equal to 1, test fails, means D'Alembert's test cannot applicable. Okay, in that case, we'll go for another test that is called Rabe's test. In this case, if summation an is any positive term series, okay, so that ఇక్కడ కూడా L కనుక్కుంటాను, బట్ ఇక్కడ L ఏంటంటే అమ్మా n into an by an plus 1, n into an by an plus 1 minus 1, okay. Then the series converges if L less than 1, sorry, L greater than 1 అమ్మా. ఇక్కడ keep in mind that L greater than 1 diverges L less than 1, and third one, test fails if L equal to 1. Test fails if L equal to 1. Test fails if L equal to 1. Okay. If L equal to 1. Okay. Now check the convergence of this thing. Summation n cube by e power n. N cube by e power n. Okay. N cube by e power n. Okay. So you can apply D'Alembert test, limit n tends to infinity a n plus 1 by a n. Limit n tends to infinity a n plus 1 by a n. Okay. You can verify that will be 1. That will be 1. Therefore, D'Alembert test will fail. Okay. So what is a n here? A n is here. N cube by e power n. You can verify. So D'Alembert test that will give us 1. So D'Alembert test is very not applicable or fails. So there is a waste of time to apply D'Alembert test in that case. D'Alembert test. Okay. So that's why. Nor you can see that D'Alembert test is failed. Then you go by Rabe's test. By Rabe's test, L equal to limit n tends to infinity n into an plus 1 by an. Sorry, an by an plus 1 kada. An by an plus 1. So ikkada an by an plus 1 amma. Okay na? So okay na? So అదే ఇక్కడ మనకు డిఆర్ నంబర్స్ లో అయితే an plus 1 by an. ఓకేనా? అండ్ ఇక్కడ l less than 1 అయితే కన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ l greater than 1 అయితే కన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది. You keep in mind. కొంచెం రివర్స్ లో ఉంటుంది రాబేస్. You keep in mind those points. an by an plus 1 minus 1. So limit n tends to infinity n into an. An is what? N cube by e power n. An plus 1 is what? E power n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole cube minus. Okay, e gets cancelled. N cube by n plus 1 whole cube. So limit n tends to infinity n into e into n cube n plus 1 whole cube common minus n plus 1 whole cube. Minus this is n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1. N plus 1 whole cube. ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా వాల్యూ? This is en cube, this is n cube. ఇది ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది అవునా? is extra here, right? Okay, fine. It becomes infinity. Divergent is convergent. Is there anything wrong? You can tell. Is there anything wrong? Yeah, ma, this problem cannot applicable here. This one D'Alembert test directly gives convergence. This cannot apply. We'll go for another problem. We'll go for another problem. Summation 1 into 3 into 5 into and so on by 2 into 4 into 6 into and so on and so on, n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay. So here it is not applicable amount because of okay. It's we are not getting L value. Okay, L is infinity. Okay, L is infinity. So we'll go for here. Here an is 1 into 3 into 5 and so on and so on. This is odd term. Odd term, you know it, 2n plus 1 by 2 into 4 into 6 and so on 2n and so on 2n. Okay, now. So now when you find okay, D'Alembert test, then it will give 1. Then it will give 1. So we'll go by Rabe's test. Okay. L equal to limit n tends to infinity n into an by an plus 1 minus 1. Limit n tends to infinity n into an is by 2 into 4 into 6 and so on 2n by an plus 1 is an plus 1 number 2n into 2n plus 2 2n plus 2 okay, replace n by n plus 1, replace n by n plus 1. 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Okay. సరే చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది చూద్దాం. So what remains we have? What remains? N into 2n plus 3, 2n plus 2 by 2n plus 3 minus. So now take LCM. 2n plus 2 minus 2n minus 3 by 2n plus 3. So n taken common here, n taken common here. This is minus 1, right? Minus 2 plus 3 by n. So this is minus 1 by 2 plus 0, that is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is less than 1, right? So therefore L is less than 1. Therefore diverges. Therefore L is minus 1 by 2 less than 1. Therefore diverges. So in case of raw base test, L greater than 1 అయితే convert చేస్తాం. L greater than 1 అయితే converges. But here L less than 1, therefore diverges. L less than 1, therefore diverges. Okay. Okay now. Next, yes, any doubts, please? X power n by n log n. X power n by summation x power n by n log n. Summation x power n by n log n. Okay, fine. Summation x power n by n log n. So what is an here? An is
X power n by n log n.
So L is what? Limit n tends to infinity n into an by an plus 1 minus. So limit n tends to infinity n into x power n by n log n plus 1 into log n plus 1 by x power n plus 1. X తీసేయడం బెటర్. ఓకే సరే చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుందో. X తీసేస్తే బెటర్. n plus 1 log n plus 1 by n into log n into x minus 1. X తీసేసినప్పుడు యూజ్ ఏం లేదు. ఇది కూడా డిఆల్బర్స్ టెస్ట్. ఇది కూడా డిఆల్బర్ టెస్ట్. సారీ, అన్ని డిఆల్బర్ టెస్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్, అది కూడా డిఆల్బర్ టెస్ట్ అప్లై చేయండి, డైరెక్ట్గా వస్తుందమ్మా. రాబేస్ టెస్ట్ అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం రాసుకోండి. సమ్మేషన్ yeah, so write down this problem. Write down summation n factorial by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into and so on x plus n minus 1. So write down next problem is summation n factorial by okay. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 and so on x plus n minus 1. Okay. So an is n factorial by x into x plus 1, x plus 2 and so on x plus n minus 1. Now I'll go for Rabi's test here. L equal to limit n tends to infinity n into an by an plus 1 minus 1. So this is limit n tends to infinity n into an is same. an plus 1 is what? X into x plus 1, x plus 2 and so on x plus n minus 1. The next term will be x plus n. The next term will be x plus n by n plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial. This all cancel out. So this will be n factorial by n plus 1 factorial is n plus 1 into n factorial. N plus 1 into n factorial. And this will be
సార్ ఇంకా పైన ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎన్ ఉంది కదండి సార్.
చూస్తున్నా ఏందో 1 వస్తుంది. Okay. So this is x plus n by n plus 1 minus 1, right? X plus n by n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, na? Now take LCM. X plus n ఉంది ఇక్కడ minus of n plus 1 by n plus 1. X minus 1 by n plus 1. X minus 1 బయట రాస్తే లిమిట్ n tends to infinity n by ఇక్కడ n కామన్ చేస్తే 1 by 1 plus 1 by n. So this will be 1, right? This is my L equal to x minus L equal to x minus 1. So therefore the given series converges for L greater than 1 means that x minus 1 greater than 1 means that x greater than 2 by adding plus 1 on both sides, and diverges for L less than 1, x minus 1 less than 1 means that x less than converges for x greater than 2 and diverges for x less than 2. Okay, converges for x greater than 2 and diverges for x less than 2. If x equal to 2, you can verify, no need to verify also. Okay. Yes, please. Yes, please. Any doubts?
Slide ఒకసారి పెట్టండి సార్.
ఓకేనా? సో అయిపోయిన ప్రాబ్లం రాసుకుని సమ్మేషన్ 3 into 6 into 9 and so on 3n by 7 into 10 into 13 into and so on 3n plus 4. 3n plus 4. Check the convergence of this. Check the convergence of this. Okay. So that is about ratio test. Whenever ratio test fails, you go by Raw-based test. Whenever ratio test fails, we have to go by Raw-based test. Okay. Okay. Now we go for another test. That's one we call as nth root test. So write down what is nth root test. So write down next one is nth root test. సో ఇది కూడా పవర్ లో n స్క్వేర్ అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు అప్లై చేస్తామండి. పవర్ లో n స్క్వేర్ n క్యూబ్ ఓకేనా 1/n ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఇది కూడా ఏం చెప్తుందంటే సపోజ్ సమ్మేషన్ an is any positive term series okay such that ఇక్కడ కూడా l is limit n tends to infinity nth root of an గా తీసుకుంటాం. nth root of an. Okay. And then first one, the series is converges if l less than 1, diverges. The series is diverges l greater than 1. Test fails if l equal to 1. Okay. Test fails if l equal to 1. Okay. So check the convergence of summation 1 plus 1/n whole power n square. Check the convergence of 1 plus 1/n whole power n square. Anyone? Converge, diverge. Anyone? Is convergent or divergent? Anyone? So power lo n square ఉంది కాబట్టి you can apply D'Alembert test or ratio nth root test. Ratio test అన్న D'Alembert test అన్న ఒకటేనా? Ratio test or nth root test. Nth root test is good for this because of an is 1 plus 1/n whole power n square. So l equal to by nth root test. By nth root test l equal to limit n tends to infinity nth root of an. Limit n tends to infinity nth root of 1 plus 1/n whole power n square. This is nothing but 1 plus 1/n whole power n. So what is this value? 1 plus 1/n whole power n. What is this value? Anyone?
సార్ అక్కడ 1 plus 1/n whole square కదండి సార్.
ఇక్కడ nth రూట్ అమ్మ ఇది nth రూట్ అంటే ఏంటంటే పవర్ హోల్ పవర్ 1/n 1 plus 1/n n స్క్వేర్ కదా హోల్ పవర్ 1/n వస్తుంది nth రూట్ కాబట్టి n క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది పవర్ n వచ్చింది.
ఓకే సార్.
So what is this value? ఒకటి సార్ మీరే రాయండి ఎందుకు మాకు. So l equal to e is always positive, greater than 1, right? ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1. అవునా అవునా కదా? ఎంత ఈ వాల్యూ? ఎనీవన్ ఈ వాల్యూ ఎంతమ్మా? ఈ వాల్యూ కూడా తెలీదా మీకు? క్యాల్కులేటర్ తీసి కొట్టండి, లేదంటే
2.718.
బతికించారమ్మా. కరెక్ట్. Therefore, the given series greater than 1 అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? సారీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ఈ వాల్యూ? మళ్ళీ చూడండి, ఈ వాల్యూ చూడండి. ఎనీవన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఈ వాల్యూ?
2.718.
ఓకే, ఎల్ లెస్ దాన్ 1 అయితే కన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఎంత రూట్ లాగా ఉన్నాం మనం. ఓకే ఫైన్, ఎంత రూట్ లాగా ఉన్నాం, నేను రాబేస్ అనుకుంటున్నా. ఓకే ఫైన్, ద సిరీస్ ఈస్ డైవర్జెంట్. ఎంత రూట్ లో ఉన్నాం కదా, మర్చిపోయి. రాబేస్ లో అయితే గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే కన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది, బట్ ఎంత రూట్ లో గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే డైవర్జెంట్ ఉంది. ఓకేనా? అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 plus 1 by root n whole power minus n power 3 by 2 minus n power 3 by 2. So what is a n here?
1 plus 1 by root n whole power minus 3 by 2.
So by nth root test, L equal to n power 3 by 2 nama, n power 3 by 2 ni n power 1 plus 1 by 2 అని రాయొచ్చు. That is n power 1, n power 1 by 2 అని రాయొచ్చు. That is n root n గా రాయొచ్చు. n root n. This is 1 plus 1 by root n whole power minus n root n whole power 1 by n. N gets cancelled. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by root n whole power minus root n. So what is this value? Anyone? ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే ఈ అయ్యేది, మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 by e అవుతుంది. 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. n ఉన్న root n ఉన్న, this both are same, that will be e. This both are same, that will be e. Okay. Okay. So this is 1 by e because of this minus. 1 by e is less than 1. Therefore, the given series converges. Any doubts? Summation 1 by n power n. Summation 1 by n power n. Convergent or divergent? Anyone? Entama L value, anyone?
0, sir.
Very good. 10 times to
Converges,
infinity,
sir.
yeah, less than 1 కాబట్టి conversion. Two to infinity రాసుకుంటే 2 to 1 by log n power n. What is L value? Anyone? And for this, what is L value? First దానికి ఎంతమ్మా L value? Anyone? సేమ్ దీనికి కూడా n ప్లేస్ లో లాగిన్ వస్తుంది అవునా? L వాల్యూ 0 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 1 by n వచ్చింది కదా, ఇక్కడంతా లాగ్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడంతా లాగ్ వస్తుంది. దీనికైతే న్యూమరేటర్లు అంతా x వస్తుంది, x power n, x by n వస్తుంది, 0 వస్తుంది. ఇది కూడా 0నే కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్? రెండు 0నే వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? చేసారా? Now we go for this summation n equal to 1 to infinity n plus 1 whole power n x power n by n power n plus 1. So you can observe that powers are n, so go by nth root test. You go by nth root test. Yes, please. Any doubts? So this is n plus 1 whole power n x power n by n power n into n. N power n into n. This I will written as n plus 1 power n will be there, n plus 1 x by n. This is limit n tends to infinity for this part 1 by n power 1 by n. 1 by n power 1 by n. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n power 1 by n ఏమవుతుంది? n plus 1 by n x, x బయట రాస్తాను, x is independent of n, that's 1 by n power 1 by n. Sequences లో చేసాం కదా మనం, చదువుతున్నారా? This is 1 when you take n common, this is 1. Sequences లో చేసాం కదా, n power 1 by n, limit n tends to infinity n power 1 by n. 6 ఫార్ములాస్ ఇచ్చాను, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మ అని చెప్పాను. ఆ ఊరుకోండి సార్, మీరు చెప్తుంటారు అవన్నీ మేము చదవాలి, మీకంటే పని పాట లేకుండా చెప్తా ఉంటారు. So therefore L equal to x, therefore given series converges for L less than 1, that is x less than 1, and diverges for x greater than 1, L greater than 1, that is x greater than 1. X equal to 1 you can apply, x equal to 1 మీరే టెస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? x equal to 1 మీరే టెస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? So that's about today's class. Okay, check the convergence by using of different tests.